Searching for a word in dictionary. A dictionary is a book which contains words and phrases in an alphabetical order with their meanings. Many times while reading a book, you may come across a word whose meaning you don't know. So, how do you find out the meaning of the word? You will find the meaning of the word by using a dictionary. But when you open a dictionary, you see there are many words in a dictionary. So, how do you find that particular word in the dictionary?
Let's see an example of how to find the word orange in a dictionary.
1. Find the dictionary section with the first letter of the word O.
2. Within the list of words starting with the first letter O,
find the section having the second letter of the word R. 3. You need to do this process again with the third letter A, fourth letter N, fifth letter G and sixth letter E until you finally reach the word orange in the dictionary and then find its meaning. So, to find the meaning of a particular word in a dictionary, you need to follow a set of steps. Similarly, before writing a program for a given problem, it is important to define a set of steps which need to be followed to solve the problem successfully. This sequence of the set of steps is called an algorithm.